Hello gang and welcome. In this episode of What the Fuck Are You Doing, Hannah will be changing the color of her hair because mental instability. Anyway, see for yourself, juices.
I was thinking of doing these two, like half and half. So we got, oh my god.
You fucking dumbass bitch.
Oh, that makes me so sad. Fuck. So that went terribly. It's fine. We don't let stuff like that affect us. I'm holding it with my chin. So this is like the color I got, which is like super orange. So here is some vermilion red by Crazy Color. But I mixed it with a shit ton of conditioner, so we're gonna see the result, and then I'm gonna mix all of this, maybe, or I'll keep these separate. We'll see, okay? So we've done a bunch of colors. This one is totally my favorite. And then we have this one, which is much more orange. I'm not gonna drop this again, holy fuck. And now it's perfect. I love it. It's like, oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna drop it. I'm shaking. Fuck, I don't know. Okay, fuck it. They're in my face. Okay. So my camera literally decided to stop filming. Luckily I noticed, so I didn't do anything more. It said that my SD card was full, but it's not full. There's nothing on it. It said that I couldn't like film in HD, so now I'm filming on MP4, whatever the fuck that means. So we're going in with this orange color right here. Okay, we're gonna do an orange chunk, which is gonna fade into a pink chunk. Should we do an orange one? Like just completely orange. We're gonna do an orange one, okay? Like with a bit of pink. I'll mix it like in my hair.
For the next hour or so, Hannah was extremely focused and therefore unable to speak. As you can see, she just put different shades of peach on each chunk of hair to spice it up. Please resume the Lord of the Rings trap remix.
It is all applied to my hair. I tried to,
Stupid bitch cannot finish a sentence.
Let's do my makeup while we, while we wait. It's me in the sun. Do you like it? Boop, boop. I'm gonna rinse out my hair now. So...
Do
you like it?
Want me to film it for you?
It's not in my blood. I like it. What do you guys think? I did my makeup, by the way, if you couldn't tell. Jag känner att jag är för pale för det. Jag måste steka på lite. För den är liksom så vibrant. För det här skulle se så bra ut om man var riktigt tan, du vet.
Yeah. It looks really nice.
Jag ser lite ginger ut.
Nej.
Nej, okej, bra.
Dumb bitch forgot to film an outro as well. Anyway, enjoy quarantine and stay the fuck at home. Kind regards from Sister Hannah. Juices.